Lace up, head down, heartbeat, we're in the crowd. Yeah. Scuff boots on a cracked black top, every step got a chip on it. Red dust on the laces, I turn pain into confidence. Sidewalk scars from the miles I walk, same shoes through the worst of it. If the ground starts shaking now, that's just how hard I'm running it. Rock feet run, I don't never back up. Solo on a stone, I come in and stuck. Caught in a storm, but I don't get cut. Rock feet, I rise from the rut. Rock feet run, kick doors, kick dust. All of my weight in the faith I trust. World on my shoulders, I still stand up. Rock feet, can't crack these cuts. Turning up battle lines, every mark is a map I trust. City grit in the grooves of the tread, yeah, I came from the mud, that's us. They talk big from a velvet seat, I talk truth from the concrete up. If the road gets rough, I laugh, that's the ground I grew out of. Rock feet run, I don't never back